it. Did you see Eva?
Tell me about your bedroom, Riley. I want to come over and see your new bedroom.
It's beautiful.
Oh,
Look at all those bubbles.
Did you sleep in your new bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I'm going to come over maybe and see it soon.
I caught him.
Wow.
Help
Get
him.
him off. Get him off.
Eva, help him. Help him. Get Bubbles.
Riley, did you sleep in your own big bed? Wow. Did Daddy
It
help
has
you?
airplanes and a sailboat.
Oh.
And it's beautiful.
Did they paint?
And
No one slept on it yet.
it has curtains.
Oh.
And it has a sailboat.
Wow.
Want to give Eva a hug? I think it looks like she wants a hug.
I love
Riley,
Bubble.
can you give her a little
I
hug for a
love
picture?
Bubble. Do you love Bubble?
That Auntie Linda, that's the kind of little treat for you. She would.